All right, I'm gonna make a video of my watchmaking workstation, and I'm gonna do a quick scan around the room first, and then go back again a little more slowly with more details. This is a watch I'm currently working on, and I use this microscope to look at my small pieces. And quick scan first of all. Over there is books at the top, lots of watches and watch parts in there, various tools at the top, lots more tools here, staking set over in the corner, and all these little boxes with numbers on them have different watch movements in them, or parts of watch movements. Those are all batteries. Here's a few watches. Here's some pocket watches. A lot of these tools are fairly sophisticated. This jeweler's tools. Okay, I guess I'm not going to do a second pass. I'll just do one. Those are crystals up there. Watch crystals. And let me pull back from there. This is back looking at my microscope. Some of the tools on my watch bench. Different kinds of pliers. More stuff in there. Here's my second staking set, my better one. It's got the glass cover on it. Time grapher. I'm currently timing this one, and the timing on that's pretty good. This is one that I put together myself. This is my really nice case opener. I freaking love that thing. Presser tool with all the different attachments. My main screwdriver set. Whole bunch of other stuff. Lots of tweezers. I keep different watches in here that I'm working on just to keep dust out of them. Another case opener there. Under here, I've got just lots of supplies, various kinds of clamps, hands, lube, oils and greases. Here's my microscope screen when I'm not using the binocular. This is my cleaning cabinet that I built, or not, it's actually a drying cabinet for after I've cleaned something. I can put parts in there, and I can see the temperature through the little window as it heats up. And there's fans that cycle the hot air around. Other watch stuff in there. Ultrasonic cleaner. This is my second microscope that's mounted, set up for my work with a lathe. So here, I'll turn it on real quick. There we are. Quite the antique lathe there. I used the foot pedal down there. Here's some more watches going in the winder. Some chemicals and stuff down there. I've got some chemicals in the cabinet on the side of the room too. More watch parts and more watch stuff. Lots more down there. Lots more parts down there. A lot of my lathe stuff. All my collets are in this box. I should really pop that one open. I've got actually a cross slide down there. Let me open up my collets and show off what's in here. This took a while to assemble. So these are for use with the lathe for holding onto parts as I'm turning them. And I've got a range of sizes here. 1.9 millimeters on that guy, 1.8, 1.7, etc. All the way down to 0.1 on that guy. So you almost can't, 0.1 millimeters, almost can't see it. These are actually jeweler's collets in here. They're actually even smaller, and they're made to go inside of a regular collet. So you put this mini sub collet in there. Anyways, lots of fun stuff, and I think that's about it for my watch bench. It's a fun hobby.